Life stinks. Life stinks. Nail that little puke over there. That's the little inbred that split my lip. Get him! See that idiot with his tongue stuck to the pole? Give him a couple of shots. Those punks scooped my change cup and ran away. Time for some payback. Toss a few fresh ones at those morons. Don't they know it's too cold for riding bikes? You got him! Not bad, but I want to see some tears. Logan, good! Keep it up! Yeah! Nice one. That'll learn him. Eat it, you little bastard. Not even close. You want a lump of coal in your stocking this year? Pay attention. Come on now. You can do it better than that. No, not over there. Hope you're not planning a career in the big leagues. That's no good. Toss another one. You do realize I'm making a list and checking it twice, right? Time for some action. Come on, kid. Christmas is coming. I thought this would be more satisfying. If you're not up for doing this, then I should probably head back and check on the reindeer. Whoa! Good luck, kid. I'm out of here. Hey there, little puke. Come and sit on my lap. Santa don't like waiting. Get over here. Ho, ho, ho. All right, maggots, who's next? Santa's thirsty. Let's get this over with. What are you looking at? Oh, right. Take a seat. It's kids like you that make me feel I'm not really real after all. You think that smells? I took a dump in the alley. Yeah, I still got it. Cry me a river. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So, what do you want? What are you looking at? Hey there, little puke. Well, look who it is now. It's you. How are you today, Sonny? Ho, ho. Ho, ho. All right, maggots, who's next? Ho, ho, ho. Santa don't like waiting. Get over here. So, I guess you want me to skip past your house this year. Don't forget, I'm making that list. Checking it twice. Okay, see you later. Yeah! Yes, of course. Listen up. I won't be repeating this. You must really like coal or something. Santa's thirsty. Let's get this over with. You sound friendly enough, but I know your type. Sorry, kid. Places to be, reindeer to feed. Ow! My bunions! Are you insane? If I had a nickel for every time I'd heard that. Whoa, now! What the hell just happened there? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I get it. You little hoser. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Bet you don't know that. You don't want to get in my bad books, kid. I got dignity, see? Dignity! Did I just black out again? You better hope I just hallucinated that. You ever been to the North Pole? What? A potato? Ever had a donut sandwich? Looking for a tutor or something? I got my PhD at the School of Hard Knocks. Is there anyone on this planet as generous as me? I'll see to it that this Christmas is the best Christmas ever. You're breaking my heart, kid. Can't you just let me wallow in misery? Well, at least you're not me. Yeah, not bad. For a bike, I'll be giving out some hoverboards this year, though. Then we'll see some real tricks. Hey, that's pretty good. You can make a lot of money with that act. You gotta take care of them teeth. They won't last forever. Trust me. Wow. What are you, a cat or something? How'd you bounce up after that? I thought for sure you was a goner. Ho, ho, ho! Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Watch out there, little fella. You're lucky I'm not an open manhole, or you'd be in quite a pickle right about now. Hey now! Don't be getting fresh with me, sonny. Watch where you're going, kid. You don't want to get in my bad books, kid. Get out of my face, you little dangleberry. How am I supposed to jolly with smarmy pukes like you bumping into me every 5 seconds? Oh, I'm sorry. Was I in your way there? A simple excuse me would have been nice. Ow! I'm bunions! Watch it, kid. Whoa, now. What the hell just happened there? Did I just black out again? You better hope I just hallucinated that. I think I hear Mrs. Claus calling. Gotta go. I gotta, see about some stuff now. See ya. I got a lot of work to do. Can't do that on an empty throat now, can I? Later. On Dancer! On Prancer! We're under attack! Children, come quickly! I need a little help over here! You can run all you want, but I'm still gonna catch you! I might be old and crusty, but I still got a lot of heart, you little bastard! If I ever catch you, you better run, you little puke! I'll let you get away this time! But if I ever see you on my sleigh, it's game over for you, kid! Ha! Thinks he's Santa Claus, does he? I'll show him, all right. Blah, 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 blah. You kidding me? That 5-3 exactor was mine. Mine, you hear? Photo finish my asteroids. Kids today, they don't want no Santa Claus. They got no cheer. All they want is their junk. I ain't even wrapping nothing this year. Those little maggots throwing snowballs at me. With rocks in them, even! Oh, they'll pay all right. Just you see. Man, what's going on here? Well, I gotta lay off the sauce. Not bad, kid. Stop by my workshop one day, and I'll see what I can do for you. Not bad for a spoiled loser. 'Tis the season to be, I forget. A hot drink would be really nice right about now. So I hear there's this guy going around saying he's me, Santa Claus. Can you believe it? You seen bricks around lately? Word on the street is that the cops hauled him in. Did you see those strange lights in the sky the other night? I know I can't be the only one. Sounds like they're gonna run the Trotters Bowl at Bullworth Downs this year. You think Skinny C's gonna ride again? I sometimes get the feeling I'm being watched. Like I'm trapped inside a big TV or something. You know that kid with the red hair? I heard he's a spy or something. I bet he's got a camera in his eye. All right, it's almost showtime. That imposter won't last long. Ah, yes. Now this is living. Yeah, that's usually the way those things turn out. No, it can't be. No way. You're pulling my scab-riddled leg. I kind of figured that would happen. I really gotta work on my gut more. These dumpsters ain't giving like they used to. Who'll replace me when I'm gone? I really need to start training someone soon. Fa-la-la-la-la, fa-la-fa-la. Man, I'm hungry. Hope I don't freeze to death tonight. Are you done yet? Don't worry. I'll see to it that this Christmas is the best Christmas ever. Well, at least you're not me. Cry me a river. And when you're done, sail away. Recycling my ass. That was my home. What's the world coming to these days? Them elves gotta understand that downsizing is the way of the modern world. It's not personal. I got mouths to feed too. If this global warming keeps up, I'll have to find a new home. Them tin soldiers just aren't cutting it anymore. Gonna have to get the elves cranking on more of them video games, I guess. Better get back to the shop. The elves are waiting on me. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I get it. Gotta go now. Okay, see you later. Ho, 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 ho! What a great tip. Gonna make me some dough tonight. Yeah, I still got it. Mrs. Claus is lucky she scooped me up when she did. Is there anyone on this planet as generous as me? The least people could do is throw me some cookies and milk every now and then. I'm feeling good today. I might head down to the barber shop and give myself a trim. I wish I had your optimism. I really do. That's good to hear. Well, that's one way of looking at it, I guess. Ever had a donut sandwich? They're pretty tasty. You ever been to the North Pole? Ever been on a tractor? Tough to nail, but the payoff is huge. You ever slept in an igloo? Yeah. Sad, but true. Well, yeah, sorta, I guess. If I had a nickel for every time I'd heard that, I wouldn't be out here, that's for sure. Are you insane? Yes, of course. And I thought my toenails were disgusting. Bet you weren't expecting this now, were ya? Ow! Better watch out! I'm a fighter, you know. They made a movie about me. I have a very high pain tolerance. I feel no pain. You think you can compete with my holiday spirits? Do you? Maybe after I smack you around a bit, you'll ask for mercy. Elves, my elves, why have you forsaken me? I think I'll just lie down here and have a little nap then. All right, that's enough. You win. Oh, way to go, kid. You just KO'd Christmas. I don't really feel like scrapping anymore. All right. I got dignity, see? Dignity! You're in for it now! That's enough! I'm gonna break your spleen, kid! Those are some nice teeth you got there. I'll use them when I'm done with you! When I get up, you're gonna feel twice this pain. That ain't no loogie, pal. If you're gonna spit on me, at least do it right. Woo! Yeah! Tear his ears off! Fight! 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 Who needs a TV when I got this to watch for free? What? Who? Hey! Cut it out now! What's the big idea? It's not like I said Xmas or something. Okay, I'm awake. Where'd my bottle get to? I don't need this junk. Here, take it. Ho, ho. Ho, ho. Don't forget, I'm making that list. Checking it twice. How are you today, Sonny? Looking good. Looking good. Who needs gel when you got spit and grease? All right, listen up. I won't be repeating this. Pay attention now. This is important. Considering all the favors I've done for you over the years, I figure it's time you paid me back once. So, I'm a little busy with elves and all. Could you cover for me this one time? Leave me alone, you little bastard. Quit it, will ya? Don't make me bring the elves into this. It's like I'm looking in a mirror or something. Rudolph? Is that you? I know pictures last longer and all, but I ain't got a camera. You're not serious, are you? Ho, ho, ho! I take him out myself, but sometimes the rage don't stop, you know? I ain't going back to jail for no one, you hear? Don't worry, buddy. I got your back. Sorry, kid. Places to be, reindeer to feed. Unless you're looking for a bruising, keep on cruising. If you ain't got any cookies and milk for me, then get lost. Well, look who it is now. It's you. You sound friendly enough, but I know your type. Yeah. So, what do you want? Good thing I'm drunk, or I might regret this. I've had more fun roasting chestnuts over an open fire. Oh, yeah! Hey! I got rights too! Police! Police! Boring! Woohoo! Right on, man! More, please! I know where you live, punk! This is some kind of joke, right? Where's the camera? When I find out who did this, there's gonna be a war! Not bad. I'll have to get the elves to cook me up one of them. That's pretty impressive. Huh? You think that smells? Come over here and I'll give you a pit stop. Hey, that smells kinda good. What is it? Thanks a bunch. Man, what I wouldn't do for a new set of underpants. You got anything in teal? That's more my color. Clothes are so overrated. Where's the lingerie section? I took a dump in the alley. Is that art too? That paint's got other uses, you know. What a waste. Would you like it if I came into your living room and did that? You little punk! You ain't getting nothing from me this year. I think I just found out who's naughty. Get a job, you bum. Lick my pits. You're a moron. Keep it up, and you'll be wishing you got coal in your stocking this year. I ain't afraid of you, punk. I'm Chris Kringle, and I will mess you up. You want your bells jingled by a swift kick to the midsection? If I hadn't just soiled myself, I would wring your neck like a Christmas turkey. Don't make me call in favors from the North Pole, because I will. You get an allowance and you dress yourself like that? Leave me alone, kid. You know, I used to be just like you when I was your age. And look at me now. Can't you just let me wallow in misery? Take off, you little hoser. Oh, yeah? Come a little closer and say that. It's kids like you that make me feel I'm not really real after all. So, I guess you want me to skip past your house this year. You know what Christmas cake is made from, right? Obnoxious little pukes like you. You hungry, kid? 'Cause I got some leftover knuckle sandwich here. I've been around a long time, kid. Last time I heard that, I fell off my dinosaur and broke my rock underwear. What on earth is that? A potato? Shouldn't you be home dreaming about sugar plum fairies and junk? Looking for a home, kid? I saw some Primo boxes out behind Dragon Wing. You're lucky it's not a full moon, kid, or you'd be my midnight snack. That ain't no way to treat your gift-giving elders. I'm gonna knock you out and empty your pockets. When I catch you, it's all over. Turn back while there's still time. You don't want to end up like me. You're breaking my heart, kid. No. Really? You must really like coal or something. That ain't right, punk, and you know it. Quit snooping around, kid. You gotta wait for Christmas like everyone else. Get off my lawn, kid. Who sent you? You'll never get a hold of my list. Never! You don't want rabies, do you? Then stay out of my space. If you don't study, you'll end up like me. Master craftsman bringing cheer to the whole world. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Bet you don't know that, 'cause you're not in school. Come and see me when you flunk out. I could use an assistant. Looking for a tutor or something? I got my PhD at the School of Hard Knocks. Yes, sirree. You and me, kid. We make an all right team.